Go. Swim.
Where's my goggles?
Swim, swim.
Where's my goggles?
No problem, swim. Just swim first.
I want them.
Ah?
My goggles.
Mamaya na. Oh, swim na, swim. Oo, ganyan. Swim pa, swim. Ganun, ganun.
Whoa!
Is good?
Yeah. Where's my goggles? Where's my goggles?
Aga pa naman.
Where's my goggles? Where's my goggles?
Dapat yung 3. Hindi
Where's
abot yung
my goggles?
Floating, floating muna. Floating, floating.
I'm using my hands. Oh no. Oh. Where are my goggles?
Suit mo, suit.
Eh!
Not me.
Kaya dribble.
Wala ako makuha.
Ay, sako.
Sinasabi ko.
Yan, lagay mo yun dyan, nak.
Sorry. Oh no.
Kaya ano na ba? Ano na ako?
Sorry na nabasa ko.
Ha?
Sorry na nabasa ko.
Ha?
Una.
Alin?
Ayun na. Sorry.
Okay lang.
Wala mo lang. Nabasa lang ano ko ganun.
Lagay mo na sa loob.